Hey everyone, it's Rob from Spectrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and reviewing the new Spectrum Inner Artist Plus LED ring light version 2. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Inner Artist Plus version 2. Follow us on socials at Spectrum Photo Video and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. Let's take a closer look at what's included. Firstly, we have the Inner Artist ring light itself. We have one of the articulating arms. We have another articulating arm for the mobile holder. We have a desk clamp for one of the arms and an additional desk clamp for the mobile holder. We have a 360-degree ball head for the ring light. We have a tilting bracket for the mobile holder. And lastly, we have the mobile holder. Now let's set up the Inner Artist Plus version 2. Firstly, you grab the ring light, and what you'll notice is that there is a 1/4" screw thread at the bottom of the ring light. This lines up to the 360-degree ball head. There's also a matching screw thread at the top of that ball head, so all you need to do is just screw this into position. Just make sure that's nice and tight. Then what you'll notice is that there's another screw thread at the bottom of the ball head, and this lines up to the suspension arm. You can loosen the knob in the center here of the suspension arm, and that allows you to extend the arm. And then you identify the top of the arm here, which is also got that screw thread, and you just screw into position. Make sure that's nice and tight. And on the other end here is the mounting point for the desk clamp. Firstly, identify the desk clamp, and what you'll see is there's a position here for that suspension arm. Loosen the screw there so it's not obstructing the way. You slide the suspension arm into position and then screw to tighten. Now the entire configuration is set up. All you need to do now is mount to a desk, just like this. The desk clamp has a gap here that allows you to mount it to desks from 2 to 5 centimeters. Make sure that the gap has been widened enough to suit your desk, then you screw to tighten. Once this is all secure, identify the USB cord, and you'll need to plug this into a laptop, a computer, a power bank, or even an AC adapter to power. From here, you can articulate the arm or move it around by loosening the center knob here. This allows you to change the position. Then also, of course, loosening the knob of the ball head to allow you to change the position of the ring light itself. So if you're shooting a top-down shot, perhaps you'd want it to be facing towards the table. And then if you need additional height, you can increase the height of the Inner Artist Plus suspension arm. The next step would be to set up the mobile bracket. So the mobile holder is the same thing. It's got a suspension arm and also a desk clamp. So you can join these two parts together by inserting the end there into the desk clamp, then screwing to tighten, loosening the clamp here to allow you to mount it to the desk, unscrewing the center knob here to allow you to extend the arm, also loosening the top knob here to allow you to reposition the mounting point, then screwing this directly to the tilt bracket. After you've screwed that to the tilt bracket, simply found the mounting point on the mobile bracket here, and there's two mounting points, one on the bottom here and also one on the back. So you can choose which one you'd want to use. In most cases, you'd be using the bottom point. Screwing that to the tilt bracket, making sure that's nice and tight and secure. Then mounting this to another position of your desk. So this could be on the corner of a desk, so you can use both arms nice and seamlessly. And from here, you can move the arm around as you need it, and also changing the position or the tilt of your mobile phone. So you can have this facing downwards like so, changing the tilt, and also tightening to secure. So if you have a mobile phone, just like so, all you'll need to do is mount this into position. Then you're ready to shoot. It's just a matter of positioning the lighting as well as the mobile phone to get the right angle. To operate the Inner Artist Plus ring light, you can use a power bank like so, or plugging it directly into an AC adapter, a USB one. Once you've plugged it into power, you'll see that it has a blue light that indicates that there's power to the unit. Press the power button, and this turns on the light. You have 3 buttons at the top here. There's a plus button, there's a cycle button, and also a minus button. The plus and minus are self-explanatory. These increase and decrease the output of the light. So depending on how much power you need for your shot, you can increase or decrease the intensity. And then the center button, which is the cycle button, allows you to change the color temperature of the light. So here we have a natural daylight, we have a warmer tone, and then lastly the warmest tone, or more of a 3200 Kelvin color temperature. And lastly, from here, you can power it off by pressing the off button. Some of the features of the Inner Artist Plus version 2 include the ring light itself is approximately 6 inches or 16 centimeters in diameter. It also has a cable length of approximately 186 centimeters. You have power controls that allow you to dim the light, up to 10 stops of control. You have 3 color temperatures, so this is natural daylight, you have a cool white, and then lastly you have a warm color temperature. You have a CRI of 95+, which means all the colors in your photos and videos come out nice and accurate. You also have the suspension arm, which is approximately 51 centimeters or 20 inches. You have a total of 48 SMD LEDs in the ring light that produce that light. And lastly, you have the phone holder that allows you to mount phones ranging from 2 to 5 centimeters in width. And you also have multiple powering options, including plugging this into a computer or a laptop for USB Type A. You also can plug this into an AC adapter. And lastly, you can plug this into a power bank. Now for some uses for the Inner Artist Plus setup, firstly, you can use it as a flat lay or a top-down setup, such as this, using it with a phone, as well as the ring light itself to produce nice and accurate lighting. This would be perfect for photography as well as for videos. So if you're filming yourself, whether you're doing tabletop work, this could be anything from arts and crafts or sketching, or even filming a setup, or perhaps, deconstructing or repairing something. And of course, you can use this as a continuous light. So you can have this directed not only downwards, but also facing upwards, like so. And this is perfect for live streaming, YouTube, doing makeup tutorials, and content creation in general. That was just a closer look at the Inner Artist Plus version 2 from Spectrum. So for more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release, leave a like on the video if it's helped you, feel free to leave down in the comment section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Inner Artist Plus version 2, follow us on socials, the links are down below, and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com.